Morning, everyone. So today I'm going to discuss about a vital aspect of human biology, which is the regulation of hormones, the endocrine system, right? And I'll keep it very simple in every layman's language so that everyone can understand, right? So there is an endocrine system inside our body which regulates various biological processes. It keeps our body in homeostasis and keeps a chemical equilibrium inside our body, right? So it encompasses various glands, thyroid glands, pancreas, pituitary glands, adrenal glands, right? And these glands secrete hormones such as thyroid, estrogen, testosterone, right? Leptin, ghrelin, insulin, right? These make sure that the food we eat is converting into energy, which goes to our cells. Our get cells get the energy via mitochondria, probably to perform various functions. It regulates our sleep, regulates our mood, behavior, sexual health, number of things, right? So essentially, these glands inside our endocrine system secretes hormones which does these acts, right? And another important aspect which we have not considered, probably uh, if someone has a thyroid issue, probably doctor would go for a thyroid test, right, and try to give some sort of pharmaceutical intervention, right? But again, the right question is, it's not. It is a lot of it depends upon your microbiome, your gut microbiome, your oral microbiome. Your gut microbiome actually regulates the hormone production. It not only directly impacts the production of hormone, but also tells each glands how much or how little of each hormone should it be producing, right? And so let us take an example, which is a very essential one from our female health is estrogen. Again, estrogen, we know that deficient or estrogen, excess estrogen is linked to your reproductive health issues, metabolic health issues, even infertility issues, right? So nowadays, research has found that there are certain microbes in the gut, what we call is group of bacteria called estrobolome, that metabolizes estrogen. It releases a particular enzyme called beta glucuronidase, which makes sure that we have the right level of estrogen. So if that microbe is imbalanced or probably they are suboptimal functions performed by these microbes living in our gut, right, it could either lead to deficient estrogen production or excess estrogen production, leading to risks such as PCOS, endometriosis, right? So that is one of the examples, right? And again, so again, another could be, thyroid. So certain gut microbes, if you have low gut diversity, it could lead to overproduction of TSH hormone, which lead to overproduction of T3 and T4, which could lead to hyperthyroidism. So you would have unintentional weight loss, you would have anxiety and a lot of issues. And over a period of time, because of hyperthyroidism, your thyroid hormones over and you enter a situation of hypothyroidism, right? So essentially, you know, again, it is linked to what microbes in the gut are doing inside the body, right? So that's one of the aspect I've just given you two examples, right? Another thing which a lot of people have missed out is that, the role of oral microbiome. So we all know, I have discussed this earlier also, that, the microbes in our mouth can convert nitrate into nitrite, which mixes with stomach acid and produces nitric oxide. Again, nitric oxide is that essential key molecule, right, which also has a role to play in the secretory system of these various glands, right? So essentially, there is a signaling cascade, right, which makes sure that the gland secretes hormone, right, inside of the bloodstream, and it performs various functions. So nitric oxide is an essential part of this signaling cascade. I think I've discussed this also when I did a video on testosterone, right? And again, the impact of nitric oxide on testosterone, we have discussed that. Right? I'm not going to repeat it here, right? But I'll be sharing a link separately for someone who wants to listen to our talk on testosterone. Probably you can get more insights about it, right? So again, nitric oxide is a part of the signaling cascade which secretes hormone. Not only that, based on the maintaining the hormonal balance, right? There is again a need and a signal which goes to the gland, tells there is more or less hormone to be needed. Again, this signaling is also required in side. So if your oral microbe is imbalanced, it is not producing enough nitric oxide, probably you're too much on PPIs, right? Or probably you're taking artificial sweeteners, right? Or taking a lot of mouthwash, right? Or maybe you took this a lot of fluoride. It could disrupt your nitric oxide production. It could impact your secretory process of hormone secretion, hormone balance, and it could lead to imbalance in your hormone. So it is not only about gut, the oral microbiome as well. So essentially, uh, fixing your hormonal endocrine system, which is again linked to your sexual health, your metabolic health, your cardiovascular health, a lot of overall body health, right? It is important to understand your microbiome, the functions of microbiome, right? Because they are the one who control your biology, right? So, in order to really, really take care of your health, you need to feed your microbes the right food, right? So if you want really want to understand what your microbes in your mouth or gut are doing, right? Not only who are there, but what they are doing, what genes they are expressing, what metabolites they are secreting. Probably we are your best bet. So, we have now a full body biochemistry solution where we look at the functions of the gut, biochemical functions of the gut and every microbiome, and convert into various pathways where we do not only tell the pre-disease signals for various diseases, including type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, chronic kidney disease, halitosis, and even predict your insulin response to various foods. But we could also structure up nutrition program for you, which could bring your body back into homeostasis. So if you need any help, please do reach out to us, right? And that's it. That's it for today. Have a good day. Thank you very much.